In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine date and time columns in Excel. Let's open a document. Suppose you need to combine the date and time into one single column. Normally, what we do for combining is we type equal. Select the first cell, type and sign. Select the second cell, then enter. As you can see, it does not work with date and time. To combine date and time, type equal, text, first bracket, select the first cell, add a comma, quotation, and now specify the value. In my case, it is going to be M, which is for month, D is for day, and quadra Y is for year. Add quotation, close the bracket. And sign, quotation, add a space, add quotation again. Add another and sign, type text, first bracket, select the time cell, comma. Specify the value again. For me, it is quotation, double H is for hour, double M is for minutes, double S is for seconds. Add quotation and close the bracket. Now press enter. Let's expand the column for a better view. You see that the date and time columns are now combined into one column.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.